Today we will be listening to the terrific letter T story. One sunny day, Tommy wore his favorite blue t-shirt and sat under a tall tree, playing with his new toy truck. Vroom vroom! Careful there, driver. Tommy looked around. Hello, it's me, said the turtle, slowly peeking out from the tree. Tommy asked, You can talk? My name is Tinku. I'm trying to get to the school before the teacher rings the bell. Today, we're going to learn to count to 10. A turtle goes to school? Tommy laughed. Yes, I take a little train that passes near the garden, Tinku said proudly. Just then, a striped tiger came. Hi, Tinku, are you ready to go to school? Said the tiger. All three of them sat on the train and ate tomatoes. Tommy was very happy to make new friends today. Now it's time to hear some words starting from the letter T. Th, th, tortoise, th, th, tiger, th, th, truck, th, th, train, th, th, tree, th, th, toys, th, th, tomato, th, th, tea, th, th, tail, th, th, tongue, th, th, teacher, th, th, table, th, th, triangle.
Let's see how we can write letter T which makes the sound ta. Stand straight, monkey's tail and a cut. Isn't it so easy? Let's see one more time. Stand straight, monkey's tail and a cut. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. So please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.